Sige na lang. I'll just try.
Zay, ipalong mo shadows, ipalong mo shadows. Press V, press V, press V.
B or V?
V.
Doesn't V turn on your mic?
Kanano sa ako
No. Ah, ambot lang.
Oh wow.
Gipalong mo shadows.
Oh wow.
Kung layo
square.
siya, oh. Kung layo siya, dili siya makitaan.
Wow, squared. Maninyahan niya ako kay low effort kasi nito. Basta kitong voice lines gani, basta magsugod ka sa city side.
This is the killing house anymore. Okay, I forgot.
Oh, wala, patay ko. Basta sa lingkwan na eh.
Oh.
Kaning taon.
Gusto.
Dilit sa taon niya, tapat pa dito sa kuha.
Up now.
Ang load na ko eh.
Sorry. That's not even
Uy, clear angles do.
Gano pareha man may ginauna.
Grabe ba yung ori, di na siya mahaboy. Walk, basta madunggan ka sa kalaban. What is he doing?
Oh,
kalag.
what?
Did he
The
just
lag
clip
ko.
to the wall?
The log go. Where the fuck was that? It's
Hindi na dyan basta mag-crawl ang hunter.
Oh yeah, somebody's fucking. Oh, it lights up if I. Oh no. The fuck. They can't fit in there. Surely.
Mecha chameleon.
Don't even.
Oh my god, I might be an artistic genius.
Oh my god, he's like disturbingly close.
Disturbing.
Disturbingly close. Look into.
Sharo. Disturbing the peace. Look into my ass. Lo!
What? Wait a fucking second. Fuck off, I can see that. Is that not a... It's not a person. Oh my god, it's not a person.
No! Wow! Grabe ka, aura farm na si
Oh my god, I'm actually a fucking artistic genius, bro. I am the modern day Picasso. Oh my god.
Aura farm springs!
What? What?
Oh,
What?
bata ka, oy.
Oh my god, I am the modern day Picasso, bro. Oh my god, I was fucking jerking my shit to that, bro.
Fucking hell. Alright,
Grabe, di ko katapunan ng 1,000!
alright. This is Iron Man. Surely you're around that.
Ah, wala. Unsa man kang DJ, uy. Ganun na shit streak imuhang kuan.
Fuck, I'm losing this. No, this can't be.
Ko? Ko?
What?
Oh my god, if you don't, bro, if you don't find him, if you don't find him, you're gonna be so angry.
Ay, ay, ay.
Huh? Oh, this.
Insane.
Yo, this is fucking insane.
Mabito ni mo sayang ako or dili.
Really, actually. He would need to like stare at he would need to stare at me like way longer. This would guy.
Oh, why is that?
No way, bro.
Oh! There we go.
Ako ay pinakakatawanan. Oh my god.
Bro, that was actually insane.